Hey guys, I'm BK. I hope you're all fine. In this video, we're going to learn about ETCD. As you all know what ETCD is, ETCD is a database in Kubernetes where all the cluster related information will be stored. So in the format of key and value pair. So in this video, we're going to view this key and value pair. So please watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So this ETCD is a database. It is always located on control plane. Okay. So this is a repository. Wait a minute. This is a repository I am using this video. So you get this repository link on this video description. Okay. So firstly, we should turn on the minikube cluster. Minikube start. It takes some little bit time. So minikube is successfully started. First we need to verify the status of minikube. For that, you need to enter minikube status command status. You see this host is running, kubelet is running, API servers is running, everything is running perfectly. So let me go to this repository, Control Shift V. You see, so as you all know, all the data will be stored, or the cluster the related data will be stored under this database. The database name is called ETCD. Okay, so let me move to this page. Here you see this is act as a brain or heart of this Kubernetes cluster. So this API server will fetch the data from the components and will store to the ETCD database. Okay, this is how the database ETCD is working. So here API server is the one who always communicating with ETCD database. Okay. So data, this data transfer always be very secure. So this API server will use private key. So this ETCD public key, it's kind of public key and private key encryption concept. So right now what you guys need to understand is that the data will be transferred like a secured way, like HTTPS we can say. Okay, so now what we are trying to do is we are trying to connect this ETCD server and we are trying to view the key and value pair. We are trying to view the values in this database. So for that we need the client called ETCD client, and also we need what's called public key, private key stuff. So let me go to this page. Here you can see we need, where is it? This cert, CA cert and server cert and key cert. Okay, so all the certificate will be stored under this directory called /etcd. So I just copy this one and I open this one, and let me enter minikube. Yes, I'm just logging into the server into the cluster, and I'm gonna paste this. Here you can see this. So these all are the keys. So right now what we want is this service server.key and server.cert and ca.cert. So we need only this. So let me log out. I copy this certificate in this directory, test CRT. Okay, now I have 3 certificate. Then we need a client, Control Shift B. So client, I'm using Linux, so I'm using Ubuntu distribution. So I have a apt repo So if you are using a apt repo, you run this, or if you are using a m repo, you run m install. Okay, I gonna install this one. Before that, we need to update. I updated. Now I gonna run this. Password is wrong. Already installed. Okay. Now what we are trying to do is, this is my laptop. In my laptop, I have a minikube environment. Okay. So this is the environment, which is minikube SSH. You see this? It create a new environment for minikube cluster, minikube SSH. So this is the environment. Okay. Exit. Now this is my local. There are two ways to view the ETCD data. One is you can log in into the minikube cluster. For that, we can use minikube SSH. Okay, this is the one way. Another way is I'm trying to connect my ETCD database from my local. Okay, local is nothing but this is local. This is my local place. Okay. So what you guys do, you try to connect the ETCD server from your minikube SSH environment, Okay, you try to install the ETCD client here. Okay, and then you perform the upcoming. You perform the commands. I will explain what this command means. Okay. So finally, I have successfully installed this ETCD client on my local. Now, let me verify the kube system. kubectl get part. So I need to add the namespace. Namespace is kube system. So this all are the components, cluster components. Here you can see proxy, control manager, EPS server, and minikube and scheduler. Okay, so everything is working fine. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to describe the ETCD database. So this is the ETCD part. kubectl on board describe minikube system. Let me remove this part. Oops, what happened? Wait, forget this one. Yeah. So this is the correct command. I'm really sorry. kubectl describe. So part supposed to be here. Okay, here I change the part here. So it's supposed to be next to the describe. So kubectl describe part, and I want to describe this etcd minikube. So what this command can do, it describe all the pod information. So this is the pod information of my etcd. My etcd is running on 192.168.49.2 on this port. Okay, so if you are trying to access your etcd database in the on the minikube environment, here you're supposed to be add 127.0.0 like this. Okay, like this. But for me, I'm trying to access my etcd server from my local. So for that, this is the IP address. Okay, minikube IP. So this IP is provided by my local internet, Wi-Fi. Okay. So by using this IP, we can access our ETCD. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and here I'm going to paste it. So this is the command we're going to perform. So you see ETCD, this version is 3. So this is a ETCD CTL. This is a command extension. Here I added the cert, ca.cert and server.cert and server.key, the endpoint. This is the endpoint. So this is my registry. So this is my cluster registry. Prefix key only, which means if I perform this command, let's see what will happen. I can view all the keys which stored in the ETCD database. You see this all the key. Now what I want is I want to view the value as well, and also I want to view the particular part. So here you see I'm trying to view the key proxy. Sure, you see, let me explain this command. Get registry and pods. I want to view the pod. So this is the pod namespace. The namespace is kube-system, and this is the kube-proxy-dmcxp. This is the name of my proxy server. Let me verify. kubectl get pod -n kube system. So this is my namespace. Here you see kube system, and this is the proxy name. Okay. Now let me copy this. Sorry. Let me copy this and perform. Here you see I can view the data which stored in the ETCD database. So yep, this is how we can view the ETCD data. If you have any doubt regarding this video, and please let me know. I have attached my Instagram link as well as my WhatsApp channel link. So please join my WhatsApp channel, and also this repository link you get on this video description. And we'll see you another video. And tada, bye bye.